Hi everyone, and welcome back to Lily's Everyday. Today we're going to be making lemon pepper salmon in the oven. It's very simple to make. It holds the moisture and the juices in much better, but you can also make this on the grill too with the same seasoning. All you need is store-bought lemon pepper seasoning, some vegetable oil, salmon, and you're good to go. What we're going to do is drizzle a little bit of oil underneath it so that it cooks underneath too and it doesn't stick all the way. And then we're gonna go ahead and coat, lightly drizzle the salmon as well. And the seasoning already has salt and pepper in it, so you don't have to add that in there. But you want to go ahead and rub the oil into the salmon and then give a generous sprinkling of the seasoning all over the salmon. You can also add it into the salmon to make sure that it sticks well. And you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and this is going to go in, just depending on your size of the salmon, between 20 to 25 minutes until it is fully cooked. So I'm going to continue this and we'll be right back. And here we have our oven baked lemon pepper salmon. I hope you guys try this recipe at home and see how light and wonderful it is. Pair it up with a salad and you're good to go. Give it a thumbs up and come back for more recipes. Thanks so much for watching. See you back soon.